Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect the dropship IO plugin or tool that you can use for your Shopify store. So this way you guys are able to import new products via dropshipping to your online store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to head on over to our Shopify dashboard. So it's this one right here. It's admin.shopify.com, and we want to make sure that we're logged in as an administrator. So once you guys are here, you'd want to look for the Shopify App Store. And there are two ways to get there. You can either click on the search bar right here and type App Store. There you go, and wait for it to load. So it's this one right here, Shopify App Store, or this one, Apps. And the other way is by clicking on the Apps tab on the left-hand side of the screen and clicking on Apps and Sales Channel. So we're going to do it this way. And from here, you guys would want to click on the Shopify App Store. So this will redirect you to this page right here, pulling up all of the compatible apps that go with your Shopify store. So from here, you'd want to look for dropship.io. But the thing is, there isn't actually a dedicated plugin or tool for dropship on Shopify. However, it is included as a method for AutoDS. So here it is, AutoDS. And if you guys don't see this right away, you can click on the search bar and just type AutoDS like that, hit enter, and it'll pull up the results for that. So it's this one right here. And show you guys what I mean, if we click on AutoDS, dropshipping and print on demand plugin, it'll take you to their store page, and I'll show you all of the supported platforms under this application. So you can see here that AutoDS comes with support for dropship.io. As you can see, also comes with support for Amazon, Alibaba, CJ Dropping, Walmart, and AliExpress, and so on. So as you can see, dropship.io is included here. So all you guys have to do from here is simply install it. Now I should say that a lot of the apps on Shopify come with free plans or free trials, but most of them are paid. But it goes without saying that the paid ones will get you more features and the complete bells and whistles that you'll need for your online store. So we're simply going to click on install, like so. Wait for it to load. And most of the time, it's actually going to redirect you to their page first to either sign up for an account, but most days, or rather most times, it doesn't require you to do so. And here we're going to authorize it, click on install, and basically let Shopify work its magic. Okay, so here we are. It's asking us to sign up for an account. And when you guys sign up for an account, you should be able to use their services, no problem. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.